working with a global team, or clients in different regions. Here's how to set the right time zones in Zoho CRM so your reminders, reports, and activities stay on track. If this helps, be sure to like and subscribe for more CRM tutorials. Start by logging into Zoho CRM and clicking the setup icon in the top right corner. Under the General section, select Company Details. You will see a Time Zones option. Click the drop down to choose the correct time zone for your company's main location. Make sure it matches your team's operating hours. For individual users, go to Setup, then Users and Control, and select Users. Click on the user whose time zone you want to change. Then tap Edit. Scroll to the time zone field and pick the appropriate zone for that specific user. This is especially useful for remote or international teams. Click Save to apply changes. Now all your scheduled tasks, emails, and reports will align perfectly with each user's local time. Keeping time zones accurate prevents missed meetings and ensures smooth team coordination. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more smart Zoho CRM guides.